In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Etsy tags. Tags are the search terms that help shoppers find your products, so getting them right can make a real difference in views and sales. I'll walk you through where to add them and how to make them work harder for your listing. Start by opening your browser and going to Etsy. Sign into your seller account so you can access your shop tools. From the homepage, open Shop Manager. This is your hub for everything related to your shop, including orders, marketing, and listings. Next, go to Listings. Here you'll see all the items in your shop. Choose the product you want to optimize and find the Settings option next to it. Click that, then select Edit to open the listing editor. This takes you to the page where you can update all the details of your item. Scroll to the Tags section. This is where you add the search phrases that describe your product. Aim to fill out as many tags as Etsy allows, and focus on what a buyer would actually type. Think in phrases, not single words. Terms like gold hoop earrings or boho wall art or personalized dog tag tend to match real searches better than generic one-word tags. Include variations and synonyms so you're covered if different shoppers use different words. Consider materials, style, recipient, occasion, color, and size when they're relevant. Long-tail phrases such as minimalist silver necklace or baby shower gift help you compete in more specific searches. Avoid repeating the exact same words across multiple tags when you can combine them into useful phrases. Also, keep an eye on spelling and regional variations. If it fits your product and audience, include alternative spellings like jewelry and jewellery. Multi-word phrases count as a single tag, so use those characters wisely. Type all the tags you want to update, separated by commas. Take a moment to double-check for typos and make sure each tag is easy to read and relevant to the item. When you're happy, click Add to apply the tags. To finish up, choose Publish with changes if you're ready for your updates to go live, or Save Draft if you want to review everything later. After publishing, it can take a little time for search results to catch up, so be patient. Revisit your tags periodically, especially for seasonal items or if you notice new trends in how shoppers are finding your listings. Keep your tags clear, specific, and aligned with what you're selling, and you'll set your products up to be discovered more often.